dripping down.
Yeah. So I think maybe a finer nozzle that would get better coverage, right? As far as, because you want every...
Atomize a little bit better.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a pretty large nozzle on it.
Right.
I think you're right, Brian.
But there's still, I mean, everything is
Everything's
definitely
covered. Every single thing.
wet.
Even on the inside there. Look on the inside here.
Yeah.
Yeah, with a little bit finer nozzle.
Yeah. Create a lot more coverage.
Look at the ground around it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's wet. That's awesome.
And that's just that's a tiny amount. I only, I wanted to see with that amount how much.
Yeah.
Oh, I can tell you.
Oh, yeah.
It was 0.6 gallons of diluted.
Is what we did on that.
Mixture.
0.6
Yes.
gallons. Okay. Yeah.
With the low
Yeah,
water.
right. Yeah, it's really...
I mean, it looks like it just got rained.
Yeah, it does. So yeah, I think a smaller nozzle would be good because it'll get, I think, up under the...
And for that amount, by the way, Brian, it was another 0.63 gallons.
0.63 gallons is what we got on that one. Yes, I think we just need a smaller droplet size to
Absolutely.
get better consistent coverage. Yeah, because these are pretty...
What is really interesting about this test too, Brian, if you look, I was careful not to pass over this area.
Yeah.
And there's zero overspray.
Oh, wow, that's true.
There's no overspray here at all.
Oh, man, that's awesome.
Right here.
Yeah, check that out.
So it stops right here. There's no overspray at all into this area.
Wow.
Not even on top of this. Just a couple tiny drops, but I did go over it.
That's amazing. Yeah, I see just some right here, and that's basically
drops.
it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's dry.
It's dry, and you see everything else is wet. It's not like it's dried in the last few minutes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Look at the inside. Everything is applied on the inside, especially.
Yeah, let me see if I can zoom in.
And if you fly over it a couple times, you're going to get a better application. We're pretty small. We don't have enough space to do that here, so
yeah,
it's if you do a couple passes.